In this video, I will be going to explain you what is chat prompt template. I have already explained you what is prompt template. So in this video, I will explain how prompt template is different from chat prompt template. In prompt template, you pass a single block of message. Although this message is dynamic, but you pass a single block of message. Also, you cannot perform the labeling here. So here no labeling is there. It means you cannot label like, okay, it's a system message, or it is a AI message, or it is a human message. So this kind of labeling is not there in prompt template. But here in chat prompt template, what happens? You can pass list of messages. Just like chat you pass, okay? It is just like a long chat, because in the long chat you have lot of list of messages. So when you have this kind of scenario, then go for chat prompt template. This is also dynamic, but here labeling is possible. Labeling is possible means you can label the list of messages. Maybe some message is a system message, some messages out of those lists can be AI message which is returned by artificial intelligence, or there are some human queries. Also in chat prompt template, there is one more feature which is called message placeholder. This is the extra feature which chat prompt template has, which prompt template does not have. Now, what is this message placeholder? Suppose you have a chatbot. Suppose on 1st July, you filed a complaint through a chatbot. There is an issue in the washing machine, and you wrote all the details of it. Then what chatbot replied that okay, within 48 hours a technician will visit at your home. But now you see the technician didn't visit, and on 4th of July you are saying that no technician visited. But now you see LLM will not understand what this is saying. So what you have to do, you have to load this history. Load the history first. Because when the person on 4th of July, he is again trying to communicate with the chatbot. So chatbot should load the older history to get the meaning what the customer is saying. So what happened, this kind of chat history is stored in the databases. So once you retrieve this history with the help of message placeholder, you can put that history within the other labeled messages. Like you have system message, AI message, within those messages you can also put the whole chat history. So this is the advantage of message placeholder. This kind of feature prompt template does not have. So if I show you here I have written the theory. Like prompt template is a single plain text block, but here you have list of messages or multiple chat messages with the roles. Roles are your system message, AI message, or human message, and also it has history, and history you can keep with the help of message placeholder. So if you need system message, human message, AI labels, or chat history, then go for this particular option. Or if you just want one simple question or task, then go for prompt template. Suppose I am using this chat prompt template class, and within this chat prompt template class you will create a list first, and within list you will create multiple tuples. Let's say one tuple is system. So for the system message you label it as system, and you will say you are helpful and experienced. Here I will give topic, a variable. So you see this system message I am making it dynamic. You can also put a human message here, so you just put human here. So in human option you are just creating a variable called scenario, a situation, and that situation you can fill dynamically. And you can also put the message placeholder to load the older history. Here you can put message placeholder where you can load the historical chat also. You see, this topic and this scenario you can replace at runtime. Let's say you are experienced poet on inspirational poems, and in the history I have already talked about poem on moon, and here the scenario I'm giving is it is raining. So you see, I want the poem on moon in the raining season, and it should be inspirational. So in this way, you can create the chat prompt template. So hope you have understood the chat prompt template where you can label the messages. Also, you can put the message placeholder, and it has to be used in a situation where you have list of messages. So now I will be going to show the practical of it. Now I will be going to show you the practical of chat prompt template. So this is the old chat history which I will be going to add in the message placeholder. So this history can be present in notepad file or it can be present in database. Right now I'm not retrieving from notepad or database. I am straight including the chat history within the code, and here the labeling is done that this is a human message. So can you help me in writing a poem? So AI replied, yes, what would you like the poem to be about? Then human replied, I want to make it about moon and stars. So this is the small history which I have. So this chat history I will insert in the chat prompt template using message placeholder. So now I will be going to create the chat prompt template. For this, what you have to do, you have to import chat prompt template and message placeholder. So from LangChain underscore code dot prompts, you need to import chat prompt template, and also you need to import message placeholder. So these two things you have to import from LangChain core prompt. So now you see I will be going to use this class and make chat prompt template. So here I'm writing chat prompt template object that is equal to, I will use this chat prompt template class, and within this class I will pass the list, and within the list I will use the tuples like this tuple, then comma this, comma this. So like this you have to create the tuples inside it. So first system message, so just put here within double quotes system, then you put comma, and you can put you are helpful and expert in, and let's say you make the topic dynamic. So this is first thing. Here you see in the second case I will put a message placeholder, so let me remove this, and in the third case I can put human message. Here within this human I will put a situation variable. So this situation variable and topic I will fill later because chat prompt template is also dynamic. And here I will be going to put the message placeholder. It's also class. So within message placeholder, the option you are getting is variable name. So just give the variable name here, and that will be equal to, let's say, chat history, chat underscore history. So this is just a variable. Later on, I will pass this old chat history to this variable. So the whole list of messages will be appended within chat prompt template. So my chat prompt template is ready. Yeah, I have to put comma here also to separate message placeholder with the human message. So that's fine. Now you see, you have to do the same step. You have to invoke this chat prompt template to dynamically fill the values. So I just put chat prompt template object dot invoke, and this time I have three variables. So I will again use the dictionary as I have used in the prompt template scenario, and in the dictionary I have three variables. Number one is topic. So within double quotes I will put the topic and I will give the details of the topic. Then second variable is chat history variable. So I copy this chat history variable and paste it here, and I will give the value to chat history also. Then the third variable is situation variable. So I copy the situation variable and paste it here, and I will give the details about the situation also. So in the topic I am writing poem writing. You are helpful and expert in. Let me just change it a little bit. I just put the topic assistant. So you are a helpful and expert, and here I will write inspirational poem writer. So you are a helpful and expert inspirational poem writer assistant, and then the whole chat, because I want the poem on moon and star that chat history is telling. And to fill the chat history I already have a variable, old chat history variable. So I just copy this whole variable because this variable has the full history. I just paste it here. And then you see I have the situation also. So the situation is raining season. So this is a situation I have given. It's a raining season, and based on the raining season I want the poem. I'm not talking about give me poem, that is already written in my history. So this will return me a final prompt, and then this final prompt I will be going to show you. So I'm just printing this final prompt, and I will be going to execute it. So here you see I am getting a system message. You are a helpful and expert inspiration poem writer assistant. Now that history is added. Hi, can you help me in writing a poem? Then AI message was, sure. What would you like the poem to be about? Then human message, make it about moon and stars. So from here to here, history is added. After that, this human message is added. The situation is raining season. This is what I have added dynamically. So my prompt is perfect. Now what I will do, I will pass this prompt to the chat model. So I just comment it. I have already created the LLM object for GPT 3.5 Turbo. So here what I will do, I will do LLM.invoke, and I will be going to pass this final prompt that will return me a result, and later on I will display the contents of the result only. So I will do print result.content, and if I execute it, here there is a spelling mistake in print. So let me just fix it. I just put print here, and let me run it again. So here you see moon and stars are there in the poem, also the rain and stormy skies, and it is talking about guiding us through the storm. So it is just talking about the positiveness or inspiration. So now you just change it like you are a classical poem, and it's not a rainy season, it's let's say it's New Year Eve, and it's a classical poem writer. This time I have changed it, and now I will be going to run it. So my poem will be very different. on moon and stars. So this time I got a different poem based on my situation. So in this way you can create chat prompt